Residential garbage disposals are not only great for post-meal cleanup, they also reduce the amount of leftover food scraps in the trash can, which cuts down on odors. Plus, the typical garbage disposal will last 8 to 15 years. In this video, we have gathered some best garbage disposal for you to choose from. Number 5. Insync Pro Series 3/4 HP Food Waste Disposal. Looking for a garbage disposal to use with a septic tank? This unit from Moen is safe to use with appropriately sized septic tanks. It also boasts noise reduction through SoundShield sound deadening insulation. The 3/4 horsepower motor provides fast, powerful grinding of all food scraps, and it reduces jamming. The compact design frees up space under the sink. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: SoundShield sound deadening insulation. Compact design. Now, for the specifications. Type: continuous feed. Power: 3/4 horsepower. Grinding chamber material: unlisted. This product customer review is 4.7 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 4. WasteMade 1:1 4 HP Garbage Disposal. With a 1.25 horsepower motor, this continuous feed garbage disposal unit from WasteMade can chew up more or less anything you place inside, including watermelon rinds, and the stainless steel components will last for years. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: 3-bolt mount assembly. Silver guard magnet system. Now, for the specifications. Type: continuous feed. Power: 1.25 horsepower. Grinding chamber material: stainless steel. This product customer review is 4.4 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 3. Waste King Legend Disposal with Cord. The Waste King Legend continuous feed disposal is affordable, efficient, and easy to install. With a 1.2 HP motor, this compact unit fits right into small undersink spaces. There's a removable splash guard for easy cleaning, and the disposal is safe to use with a septic tank. The grind chamber features durable stainless steel that will keep this disposal working long-term. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: easy mount system. Power cord included. Now, for the specifications. Type: continuous feed. Power: 1/2 horsepower. Grinding chamber material: nylon. This product customer review is 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 2. Waste King L1001 Garbage Disposal with Power Cord. Adding a garbage disposal to a kitchen doesn't have to cost a lot of money. This reasonably priced unit from Waste King features a 1.2 HP motor for mid-size households. The garbage disposal comes with easy mount for quick installation with the kitchen sink, and it has a pre-installed power cord that plugs directly into the wall, no electrical work required. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: easy mount installation. Includes power cord. Now, for the specifications. Type: continuous feed. Power: 1/2 horsepower. Grinding chamber material: nylon. This product customer review is 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 1. Insync Pro Series 3/4 HP Food Waste Disposal. The Insync 3/4 HP garbage disposal stands out for safety and quiet operation. For one thing, the magnetic lid for the disposal must be securely in place before it will run. This cover also serves as a start switch, a feature ideal for kitchen island sinks. The Insync lid reduces noise, as does its insulated body, and the SoundSeal technology makes this garbage disposal much quieter than standard disposals. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: SoundSeal technology operates quietly. Dual grinding stages. Now, for the specifications. Type: continuous feed. Power: 3/4 horsepower. Grinding chamber material: stainless steel. This product customer review is 4.7 out of 5. Click the link in description.